Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I will show you exactly how to create a free Facebook account using a Tempmail in 2025, and most importantly, how you can avoid getting suspended right after sign up. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for tempmail.com, or you can also search for any of the temporary mail service provider. For example, let's say currently I'm on tempmailo.com. So here you need to copy the email from here, then launch facebook.com. Over here, click on the option of create new account. Then you need to start filling up the form just like this one. You need to select your date of birth. After that, select your gender and paste that email address over here. Now you need to provide a strong password for your account just like this one. Then click on the sign up option here in the bottom. Now as soon as you click on the sign up option, it is going to redirect you here on the next page where it is going to ask you to verify your email address with the code. So you need to go to that email address provider and click on the refresh button. As you can see, we have received our code. So simply click over here, then copy this code from here, then paste it over here and press continue. Now, once you have done that, you have basically successfully created your Facebook account here. Once you are inside, make sure that your photo is set up, you upload your basic details, and please don't start sending friend request immediately. You can basically just wait for 3 to 4 days and start warming up your Facebook account. You can use the account normally over a few hours or days, and after that, basically, you can easily create your Facebook account with the help of any of the temporary emails. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.